Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Many people have wondered why I start my sermons sometimes with the word hallelujah. Hallelujah is the center of your worship. And many people haven't realized or didn't know what power is in the word hallelujah. Hallelujah is one of the highest honors you can give unto God. Hallelujah is a token of gratitude. Hallelujah is a word of rejoicing. There is power in hallelujah because there is power in prayer. There is power in worship, and hallelujah can move mountains. In the word hallelujah there is the breaking of poverty. In the word hallelujah there is the breaking of diseases and sicknesses. In the word hallelujah you can bring barrenness to an end. In the word hallelujah marriages can be healed and can be restored. There is no other way to say thank you to the Lord than hallelujah. That's why the words say that in hallelujah there is rejoicing. In who do you rejoice today? Can you shout out with me today? Hallelujah. There is power in hallelujah. There is healing in hallelujah. Hallelujah comes from the depths of your heart.